Hey guys, I wanted to record an episode today, but it's getting a little bit late, so I'm not going to have time to actually edit this, review it, and upload it, but I can at least record it, so you'll be seeing this a day later than it actually is right now as I'm recording. But anyway, I have a bunch of stuff that I'd like to get done today. Oh, throat's doing something weird now. I don't know if you can hear that noise. Anyway, so been playing a little bit more with crops. Sorry. Yeah, I wasn't really sure how to expand this because it was a bunch of work to get this land to sort of look semi-natural here, and I didn't want to take out more of it and try to integrate this hill into the thing, although I probably could because it goes up here, then it goes back down, so I could manage that if I wanted to, but instead of doing that, I just added another layer up here. This layer is probably going to have to be a little bit bigger because there's more permutations to it. So basically this one is where I would start crossbreeding my crossbreed hybrids. So I've just sort of been collecting the seeds from them, like oh hey, that one just grew. Let's see, these are tulips. Oh yeah, so I noticed there are actually two different types of purple flowers. They look very similar to each other. They're almost impossible to tell apart, but this is Venemelia. These are tulips. In fact, are those actually identical? I want to see them right next to each other. I think they're just a slightly different color, but just at a glance like this, I honestly can't tell a difference. Maybe they have the same graphics. Just one is venomous and the other isn't. But anyway, Venemelia is kind of annoying. It doesn't really, it doesn't drop more than one seed bag usually. Okay, I got lucky on that one. Got two. So here's Venemelia seeds. So now we can reproduce it. And oops, keep it going down here. So I want to get a whole row of these, and I'm going to have to expand this by actually quite a few. So it will have to go this way. But I'm not going to worry about the land. I'll make it float. And yeah, then I'll just put all the other types of crops along here to get some more crossbreeds going. Those are hops. Yep. So yeah, I don't even have all of my hybrids up here. I haven't been able to get any more terrawort seeds in here. Oh yeah, those are just micro blocks to hold the water up. But anyway, there are a couple of things I really wanted to do here, but couldn't really do off camera because they were new and interesting. So I wanted to show them. This, I don't know what this is called. I haven't broken one yet. I know when you pick it, you get sticky resin. Oh, 1 second. Okay, it looked like my recording had cut out there, but we're good. So let's find out what these are called. So I'm going to break this. Good, gave me a seed bag, and it is stickweed. Okay, cool. So we have stickweed seeds, and I've just been replanting these. I went through, oh cool, we have hops growing there. Went through all of these corners that didn't get anything interesting, like, you know, those are just pumpkins that are next to pumpkins. Broke them down, re-crossbred them to try to get something else good. And in some cases I did, in some cases I didn't. I have a couple here that I'm still waiting on and need to supervise, because otherwise weeds will grow and overtake these. Yeah, these are a major pain. The weeds just, they mean I can't really leave this unsupervised for very long. What are those? Those were tulips, okay. Yeah, once you've identified seeds and planted them from a seed bag, you'll know what they are after you break them, so that's pretty nice. But yeah, this takes just so much babysitting, it's ridiculous. And I don't want to use Weed X because reasons. Because apparently it decreases the quality of your crops. Still don't know exactly what that means, but yeah. Gotten various comments telling me various things, looked at different forums that told me various things, but anyway, here's some more stickweed. Let's see if we get 2 seed bags. We did! Most excellent. Okay, so we'll replant this one, and we'll have one to put up above. Beautiful. Let's do that right now. And you might have noticed that other mystery crop, we got a second one of them, and it has actually grown up all the way. What the... Was that like that a moment ago? No, it wasn't. Okay, I'm going to have to watch that back and see if I can catch that popping off, because I've seen them do that before. I'm pretty sure I didn't trample that, but maybe I'm wrong. Okay, so let's get a hoe. So you can put unbreaking on hoes now if you do it via books, and I have a librarian who sells me unbreaking 3 books, so that's pretty nice. I'd like to breed up a whole bunch of librarians to get different books, because apparently you only get one type of book per librarian. Let's see, so if I want to do this, I want to plant seeds from seed bags whenever possible. For one thing, just to get them out of... Oh, why are you unknown? Just to get them out of this chest, because they don't stack at all. Pain in the ass. But for another, so that they're identified when you break them. And I noticed something interesting about that. Okay, where was that? You there. So these have all been planted from seed bags up here. So if I break these, or let's see, which ones do I need? Yes, do need tulips. So I'll do this. Oh, okay, so we got tulip seeds there. If I look at this, it tells me a little bit more. Tier 2. I don't know what the tier means, but, you know, if this was a hybrid, it would just tell me tulip. And, yeah, I don't know exactly what that means, but something different happens. Oh, this is niter. It's actually really handy. So it's a floating light source that you can walk through, but, you know, it functions as a proper light source, so it was very handy for lighting this up. I feel like I was in the middle of saying something else, but I forgot what it was. Anyway, right, so that other mystery crop here, this was our original one. It still is the same way as it was when we last looked at it. I don't know why this isn't growing up all the way. I've given it fertilizer and hydration cells in case that would make a difference, and it hasn't so far. But I managed to get a second one over here. So I'm going to pick it now, which means we can't get a look at what it is, but let's at least see what it produces. Uh-oh. That gave me nothing. Well, dang it! Okay, guess we don't get to find that out yet. Hopefully later in the episode this will mature again so we can see what it actually is and or what it produces. Actually, I should have broken it because that would give me seed bags in addition to its product. Yeah, okay, that would have been smarter. All right, next time I'll just break it. Although sometimes you get no seed bags, so those seem rare. Another thing I've observed, I'll stop talking about crops in a moment, but just want to catch up on them. Another thing I've observed is it seems like, from my perspective, it looks like netherworts are sort of a wild card crop. I've noticed that they get, I mentioned this before, they seem to get a lot more different crops out of them than these other things do. And it kind of feels like they function as any other basic crop at random. That's my best guess as to what they do. Because, yeah, I haven't... The only thing that seems like it might be unique to netherworts is this mystery crop here, because I haven't been able to get it without netherworts, because we have netherwort melon and netherwort sugarcane. And I tried sugarcane melon a whole lot and couldn't get that result, but that seems rare, so I don't know. So yeah, I'm just dying to know what that is, but we can't find it out yet, because if I broke either of these, they'd just disappear and not give me anything, I think. Anyway, yeah, let's stop talking about crops now and talk about bees instead after I make it daytime. Or actually, maybe we'll take a quick detour and talk about trees real quick. So I've been... Oh, yeah, I already chopped these all down. I am down to one type of tree that I need. But it seems, from what I can tell, it can't actually be bred in either of these biomes. I had a bunch of trouble getting the leaves to cross-pollinate. At first I thought that enabling extra bees or installing thalmic bees had broken cross-pollination. I moved these up in the air just so they were closer to some of the trees I was trying to breed were tall. Yeah, I thought one of those mods had broken cross-pollination, but I just got really unlucky and it took forever. But apparently I need to breed these last two trees in the jungle. This is Kapok with Yellow Miranti to get Sapiri. Sapiri? That's probably how you pronounce it. Which I believe is what gives you... Let's see, how do I do this? Yeah, so I can look at all the planks like this. I have access to everything here except for... green heart. Green heart right here is the only one that I am missing of these. And I believe that comes from superior trees. Might be wrong about that. But yeah, that's the only breed that I know of that I'm missing. So supposedly I need to breed Kapok and Yellow Moranti in a jungle or some sort of tropical biome. So we're going to try that, but not right this second. Why do I have these on me? Yeah, whatever. Right, so crops, talked about that. Right, so I would like to play with some of the extra bees machines, because in addition to just extra bees, it also gives you machines you can use to work with your bees. So it seems like the basis for most of these is the, I remember the recipe, but I don't remember what it's called, apiarist machine. And from this, we can create a genetic machine and a climatizer. A climatizer allows you to change your bees' climate tolerance, so that's cool. I guess sort of an alternative to using a climate-controlled alveary. APRS databank, APRS database, this thing. Oh, I need to build one of these. Carpenter. You know what? Let's get that going right now if my carpenter's not busy, though I bet it is. Oh, yeah. So this is making scented paneling. This one's not doing anything. Does that just take water? Where was that? How did I get there? Okay, so APRS database. Yeah, it just takes water. Okay, so 2 gold, 2 tin, 2 redstone, diamond, emerald, glass pane. No problem. Let's see. Can I remember that from that quick look? Redstone was the bottom left and bottom right. Yes, that's right. Okay. Need a glass pane and 2 redstone. Am I out of glass panes? Probably have them in my Thaumcraft chest. Which is something we may be looking at later today. So yeah, there's a bunch of Thaumcraft research I'd really like to do. And I kind of want to stay around home because I'd like to do an occasional weed patrol until things are growing in the right places out there. Okay, so this should let us make... Yeah, just creating up beeswax to save some room in this overstuffed chest. Good grief. Silky propolis in here. Okay, so that recipe was diamond, emerald, gold, tin, glass pane, or was it diamond in the middle? No, that's right. Okay, so that's crafting. I'll just leave it to do its thing. Yeah, let me clear some stuff out, and I'll do another weed patrol out there, and we'll be back. Hopefully those will be crafted. Yep, should be. Well, that's convenient. Every space in here has something good growing in it now, so don't have to worry about weeds for the rest of the episode. So that'll remove some disruptions that otherwise would be there. Really hoping that one of these things matures again during the episode, so we'll see. Yeah, I don't think I need to talk about much out here. I've just been breeding up my marbled and water bees that we got on our trip to the Twilight Forest, just so that I'll have a bunch of drones for crossbreeding. Yeah, so these, you can centrifuge them for, let's see, I have NEI plugins now, because there's a version that works, I think. Yep. You get watery propolis, which you can squeeze for water. Real useful. And okay, so 50% propolis. Yeah, so that's not super great. And marbled bees apparently just give you honeycombs, not not marble combs like I thought they might. Oh, one thing I wanted to mention is that there is actually an effect that normally comes with imperial bees that I missed out on. It's a trait that I accidentally bred out of it. Yeah, beatific effect. And cool, this one actually has it. That's the first princess I've gotten with it on. So let's see what that does. So this is the one I want to put back with her. Okay, so if I stand here, we should get this effect. I believe it's regen. Will it show me anything over here? Let's take some damage. Half a heart. Good grief, this armor is ridiculous. I'm not seeing it. Are you doing it? Let's take some more damage. How high can I go before I'll die, I wonder? 2 hearts. Good grief. I'll bet I could go all the way up to the height limit and survive a fall. Oh, yeah, see, I have regen. Cool. Okay. Now that I've mentioned that, I have to try it just to see. So I'm going to go all the way up to the height limit. No, I'm not. Let's go up to 128. See how much damage I get from that. Okay, 7 hearts. All right, so I can't go all the way up to the height limit, but yeah, this armor's overpowered. I should probably get out of the habit of wearing it all the time, but it's handy. I like being able to fly. It's nice. Anyway, so back to what we were doing. We have an apiarist, what was it called? Apiarist database? Databank is the other one. So let's see what this thing does for us. And yeah, okay, I'll put these in here. And man, I have to think about when to actually centrifuge my stuff just because these stupid chests are so full. But anyway, let's look at this thing. Okay, yeah, I've heard about this thing and seen it in other people's videos. So here's all the species that I know about right now, apparently. Oh, don't know about that. Farmed? Okay, if you say so. Overview. There's nothing here. Genome. Do I put a... Oh, okay. I click on one of these. Gotcha. Okay, cool. Tell me about water bees. No description. Okay. Genome, slower 2. Okay. So this is like using a beealyzer on a purebred bee of any type that I already know about without actually having to do that. Oh, hey. Cool. Okay. Yeah, I don't know what these are, where they come from. Seedy comb. Can I look at the usage for that? I'll check in a moment. Okay. Oh, wow. Neat. Oh, okay. Cultivated rural gives you farmed. Well, it tells me how to get it. Why do I know about this? Because I haven't... Oh, I did do a breed like that. That's right, because I put rural with a cultivated to try to get its faster pollination on it. That's how that happened. Okay, cool. Oh, so these are the ones... No, that's how to get to it. How to get from it to something else. Okay. Apparently this used to tell you a little bit more about... what to put with what, but it's a little more obscure now, but that's fine. There's still some basic extra bees we need. It adds its own nether bees that are separate from the sinister, fiendish, and demonic ones you get from forestry. And there's also rocky bees, which are found underground, just in the middle of stone, I guess. So I might want to set up a quarry at some point to get those, because apparently you can get them with a quarry. Like, they're the only bee that if you break its hive with a quarry, you get the bees out. And there was a specific configuration setting for that. I think that's how it works. I'm still going happily. So what were we actually doing here? Oh, yeah, we were building machines. Wow. Got very distracted from that. Just want to put this away. Yeah, so I've been saving away some bees in here. Do I want either of you? I do not. These bees are going to be turned into liquid DNA, which is a resource you use to customize your bees. I think. I actually don't know all that much about it, but we're going to find out by building some machines with this. So I'm going to make a genetic machine, which means we need a basic circuit board. So tin and redstone and a carpenter. Tin and redstone. Right in that spot, I can hear the flowing water from my sapling farm up there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But it's not too annoying. So... I feel like this got renamed. Wasn't this called a small circuit board before? Apparently it's a basic circuit board now. Okay, so with that, now we needed lapis and iron, I think it was. Was it iron? Oops. Oh, buttons. Iron, yes. So here's a piece of lapis. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the genetic machine doesn't actually do anything yet. You have to craft something else with it, I think. Okay, so we got that. Yeah, advanced, oh boy, gene pool. I think this is what I want to build. Sequencer, splicer. Yeah, gene pool sounds right. This would take you to isolate or replicate. Oh man. Ooh. All sorts of crazy stuff. What are these? Okay, okay. So right, what we want to build is the gene pool. So 2 gold, a redstone, 4 tanks, a glass, no problem. A piece of glass, that is, not a glass. I already forgot it. Wow, that just went into my brain and right back out again. Okay, 4 tanks, 2 gold, and redstone. 2 tanks, gonna have to make some more, no problem. Redstone. All right. Now that was like this, and we have a gene pool. Cool. So I assume this takes MJ. Let's just stick it in a temporary location, like say, oh, this is so cluttered now. I'm just gonna put it here. So, no B. Okay, so let's put a B in there. I believe this turns B's into DNA. Let's just take a few of these. I'm going to liquefy all of these B's, which would otherwise have been going in my recycler, but we have better stuff to do with them now, I think. Oh yeah, okay, so that's the MJ. Cool. Okay, okay. Oh, wait, okay, so this... Yeah, this turns them into liquid DNA. Now, I think I might want to also build an isolator. That's not how I spell it. Neither is that. That is. We need an advanced genetic machine. Okay, enhanced circuit board. Yeah, let's try and build one of these, because I think... I'm doing a lot of guesswork and vague memories from watching other people's videos and how they do things. I want to say that an isolator is how you pull a trait off of a particular bee, and you can use that. It turns it into serum, and you can use that with liquid DNA to put that trait into another bee or something like that. Oh yeah, okay. Why is it giving me percentage? How about give me millibuckets? But yeah, okay, so let's build. I'll stop crafting these things on camera because you can, it's just me going, what do I need? And putting it in the crafting table. But yeah, let's make one of these and take a look at what this takes. Bronze and redstone. Okay, no problem. All right, I'm going to craft this. I'm going to need more carpenters because I sure do keep these two busy. Yeah, okay, so we have our circuit boards. Now I have to go all the way through that whole tree again. So we need to make an apiarist machine and genetic machine, advanced genetic machine, and then we'll be able to make this. Okay. All right, there's our isolator. And again, these are just temporary locations, but I'm going to stick it right up here next to this, what's this called? Gene pool. So, okay. Let's pick a bee with some good traits. Maybe, these Imperials that I've been breeding have pretty decent traits on them. So let's just take a few of them and see what happens when I stick them in here. I'm not even going to bother looking at the traits. I just know it's some good stuff. So here, have 5 bees. Let's see what you do. Are you? Oh, no empty vials. Okay, so I need some sort of vial. Serum vial. Okay. Oh, wait. Which one of these? Do I need serum or genome? Or do they do different things? Okay. Oh, wait, what? Huh? Oh. Interesting. Okay, so this one doesn't have a recipe, or at least not one that'll tell me about, so I guess we're making these. Okay, glass panes and gold. Oh, that's royal jelly. Ha! Thought that was a gold nugget. Okay, good thing I looked. All right, I'm going to make those. All right, here they are. Let's see what this does. Okay, cool. So it's satisfied by those. If I remember from watching Generic Bees videos correctly, this will give us maybe a random one of the traits from this at some random quality. The higher the quality, well, low quality ones have adverse effects. Wait, effect cancellation serum. What? What? Empty, huh? I have no idea what that is. Okay, well, let's just keep doing this. We'll figure it out as we go along. Huh? Those are the same. Oh, it's still going with the same bee. Okay, let's see if this gives us something different this time. Wish it would go a little faster, but it's going as fast as it can. Oh, that's different. Cave dwelling serum. Cool. Why empty? Do I need to... Oh, do I need to... Let's see here. Can I, like, fill this up with... No. How do you fill it? High fertility. Do I put it back in here? No, it doesn't go in there. Okay. Maybe you need... I really don't know. Okay, so I need more vials. Let's make some more vials and let that go and see what else it gives us. And then we'll look at some more machines to see if we can figure out how to use these. Well, that's a weird item. They only stack to 32. Can't put 64 of them together. Okay. Where am I? Got disoriented there. All right, so we're going to put this back. Oh, this in here. Oh. And just let that go. Wait, okay, so that's already consumed 2 bees, because I started with 5. Okay, let's look at some of the other machines we can make, see if there's anything that looks likely. Apiarist machine, genetic machine. Okay, so gene pool, we know what that does, vaguely. Sequencer, splicer. No, it's gonna be, let's see, no, replicator, inoculator, purifier, I don't know, synthesizer. Now to me that sounds likely, but maybe not. All right, I'm going to have to look up what these do, or I could just build one of each and we could see if we can figure them out. You know what? That sounds more fun. Let's do that. All right, I'm going to build one of each of these, and we're going to play with them. So this will take me a little bit, so I'll be back. Oh, I was doing another weed patrol here just to make sure I hadn't missed any, and this thing has ripened again. So well, I assume that's what it looks like when it's ripe, because I was able to pick it, although it didn't give me anything. So we're going to try breaking this. We might just lose it, but hopefully we'll get a seed bag and some sort of product out of it. Okay, we got 2 seed bags. That's actually even better. This is coffee. Oh, no way, it's coffee. Okay. Cool. I was wondering what coffee looked like. Okay, great. So we have coffee. I'm going to plant it up here. Yeah, and I don't need to show me doing that, but yeah, I'll get back to building those machines and we'll see if we can figure out how they work. All right, here's a whole bunch of machines. I skipped one because I believe the APRS databank is just a stationary version of the APRS database, and I'll stick with the mobile version for now. But we can easily build that if we want it later. Let's just make a mess here and place all of these randomly around here. So here's a synthesizer, a replicator, an inoculator, purifier, Acclimatizer, indexer. Oh, that one doesn't connect. Oh, right. Okay, so I guess indexer doesn't take any MJ. All right, so I guess maybe the splicer can go there instead. Splicer, good. Okay. Sequencer, that sounds like something that's going to want MJ. I'm just going to stick it up here. Oh, man, I got to find a better place for this stuff. Okay, so there's our wall of beekeeping machines. Indexer will just plunk over here. Yeah. APRS machine. I assume this doesn't do anything on its own. You can place it, but can't interact with it. Okay. So indexer. Huh. I don't know what this does. Do you put bees in it? I'll give you some bees. So here's some bees. Can I put these in here somehow? Yes, I can. Oh. Huh? Okay. So this is like a better apiarist's chest or something? I don't know. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I think I just crashed. Okay. Note to self, don't shift-click out of the indexer. All right. I'll be back in a moment. All right, let's try this again. Hopefully I can just normally click them out. Yeah, okay. That works. Just don't shift-click. Okay. So, yeah, I guess indexer is a better apiarist's chest or something like that. What's this? This is an isolator. We already tried this. We got these. They're empty for some reason. Have a couple of them on me. I want to see if I can get... I feel like I need to fill these up with liquid DNA. So maybe that would be the sequencer? That sounds likely. Okay, so here. Cave dwelling serum. Does it go in any of these slots? Nope. Sure doesn't. Okay, here's a bee, a drone. Okay. What can I put in here? How do I do something to it? No blank template. What? Blank template. Okay. There's two of them. Why are there two of them? Okay, so we make the one with honeydew and glass panes. Okay. I don't know if we can use this at all, but I'm gonna try. See how far we get. Do I have any more glass panes on me? I do not, but I can make them. I enjoy this kind of stuff. I could go and just read up on this and figure out how it find out how it works without just playing around with it, but experimenting blind like this is just, I don't know, it's enjoyable for some reason, even if I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so template goes there. Cannot create template for this species. Really? Why not? Okay, let's try a more basic one, or maybe let's try an extra bees one. Give me one of my extra marbled drones, since I have plenty of those. Can I create a template for that? Sequence. Oh, yeah, I took the bee out. Okay. No, can't do it for that one either. Okay, what's the problem? Okay, well, I don't know how to use this. I'll just leave it there. What's all that? Synthesizer. No serum. Oh, hello! This is what we want. Okay, this is the thing. So let's take... Can I pull this out with like a bucket? A whole bucket of DNA. Buckets are here. Let's try it. Because I want to get this from here over to that other one. No. Can I do it with a pipette? Maybe? I don't think we've ever actually seen me successfully use one of these. Let's see if this changes that. Nope, can't pipette it. All right, let's use a liquiduct. Liquiduct, and we're gonna need, oh, hey, hello. I'm gonna need a lever and maybe a crescent hammer. Crescent hammer. Oh, my inventory's always full. Okay, so we have to get this liquid from here over to... Is it this one? Yeah, the synthesizer. Okay, so... Yeah, that connects. Cool. Doesn't connect to there. Good. All right, so assuming I can pump out of the top of this, that should work. Give it a whack. And we can just put a lever on this handy stone brick right here. No, wait, that's too far away. Okay, so we need another block there, or unless we can put it on... No. Just give me a all right, I'll use a wood block. Anything. Okay. Where's that? That's right. Okay. There goes that really ugly liquid. I don't like the way the extra bees liquids look, but oh well. So synthesizer. Oh, okay. So that holds a lot more than that does. Okay, so let's try a cave dwelling serum. Yeah, no serum. Okay. This looks promising. So that transposes the liquid DNA into one of these, and what's it going to give us? So this says average quality. Are these all average quality? Oop, not, wait, which one is it? I want the, yeah, isolator. Average. They're all average. Okay. So I guess the junk bees would go into the gene pool, but the ones that have traits we want would go in the isolator. So what are these? These are imperial. Okay, that has fast worker. Maybe we can get fast worker. I don't know if there's any way to choose which trait you get. That has nocturnal, so maybe we'll get lucky on that. This is foolish. Okay, longer lifespan, imperial species. Cool. Let's see what this is up to. 2 charges. Poor quality. Does it get to higher quality if I... Well, now, hang on. So this is just going to keep filling it. I assume the quality won't change if I keep filling it up. I'll just get more charges. Let's find out if anything... See what it does. 3 charges. Poor quality. So let's stop wasting our liquid DNA on that. And let's try this. I don't even know what this does, but we're going to put it in there and see. Nah, let's do longer lifespan instead. Is that consuming... Hopefully it doesn't consume until it gets all the way through, because I'm going to swap those out. Okay, let's get longer lifespan. This is average quality now, but when we put the DNA in this one, it changed quality apparently. So, okay, it stayed average. Okay, I guess average quality is maybe good enough. I don't know. All right. So we kind of have a... Oh, cool. We got that. We kind of sort of have a handle on how these things work. Let's look at some of the other machines here. Replicator. Oh, okay. So I could like take serum and make more of it? Maybe? I'm going to let that use up all this liquid DNA. Then... Well, now wait. Does this work on... I don't know. Inoculator. Okay, I think I know what this one does. This is how you actually put a serum into a bee. So that wouldn't be what the replicator is. Yeah, maybe replicator makes more serum from... Yeah, all right. I'm just going to pull this out. Let's see if we can make this do something. Okay. So 3 charges, average quality. All these crazy graphics, man. Each mod sort of has its own aesthetic. This one is very different from the others. I'm gonna look at another machine while I wait for that to complete. Okay, yeah, no. What is this mess? That just looks dumb. 3 charges. Okay, it gives you a new empty one. I see. Okay. Cool, so you still have to fill that up with liquid DNA. So we're going to need a lot of this stuff, and we don't have much anymore. Okay. But good, that gives us something good to do with our junk bees instead of just throwing them away or recycling them. Purifier. Serum. Oh, okay, so maybe I can turn this from poor quality into something better. What do I put in it? Liquid DNA again? I'm guessing. Okay. Do any of these take liquid? This doesn't. So I should be able to just do that. And we need some more DNA, so I'll just stick these two in here because these are junk bees anyway. This is not. Don't stick that in there. And let's stop that from going into the whatever this device is, the synthesizer, since we're not using it at the moment. Okay, cool. So that's doing stuff. So I want to see if the quality of this goes up. What else do we have? A climatizer. Yeah, you put bees in one of these slots and either water cells or lava cells. Maybe it's not water cells. Something in the others, and it changes their tolerance. Splicer. Oh my goodness. Yeah, we're not going to try and play with that at all. Sequencer. Yeah, I don't know. That's crazy stuff. So purifier. Hey, it went up to average. Cool. Can it not go any farther? Is that the best it can do? Because it's not doing anything else. Or does it? Oh, whoa. Huh? Okay, that just took a moment to update. Let's give it some more liquid DNA then. Get some more junk bees and put this not junky bee away. Yeah, because I have all these I want to toss. These are the ones that otherwise would have gone in the recycler. I already said that. So yeah, this has sort of caught my interest and overridden the other things that we would otherwise be doing, because I'm sure I had a lot of other stuff on my to-do list. But this is very interesting. I've been wanting to play with these for a while, but haven't gotten to it until now. Okay. I believe from what I've heard, using low-quality serums on a bee will give them negative effects. Like apparently they can get like traits that'll cause them to make lightning strike around them when they're working, or other weird stuff like that. Or just degenerate in other ways. So I'm assuming we always want like good quality or excellent quality or whatever's the best one. And you know, that's if we're investing in a serum, we can always purify it. That's no problem. Why is this? I feel like that really shouldn't be running out of power. Should have plenty of power input. Oh. Okay, so something else is using MJ, so it can't take in as much as... Wow. Yeah, it uses a lot. Okay. So this is a power hog, but we have infinite MJ, so that's no problem. Anyway, yeah, this is getting a bit lengthy, but... Oh, didn't do any Thaumcraft stuff. Let's research like one recipe or something. I'm going to make a little bit of progress on that before the end of the episode. So let's get started. Maybe something with Cognito. Okay. Yep, Cognito. Okay, so we're probably researching something to do with golems. Yep, golem animation core intelligence. Okay. I'm going to research this. Imperado and permutatio. Okay. So yeah, I would really like to get into golems, because apparently they can do some cool stuff, like automatically refill this crucible, which is something I've wanted for a while. Control golems are much smarter than the norm. Can I even make golems at all? Can I? Okay, golemancy. Oh, the iron golem is just enough will and so. Okay. Okay. Golem animation core. Great wood. Okay. Placed on a chest or similar container, the wood golem will keep a close watch on its surroundings. If it spots a loose item on the ground... Oh, cool. Oh, okay. You just have items in different furnace. Oh, that's very cool. Okay, okay. Huh. Fascinating. Okay, so yeah, lots of interesting stuff with those. What did I just research? Intelligence? Wonder what that means. Can I program these guys or something? I don't know. Let's research a couple more of these. Oh, this is one I've wanted. Yeah, I'll tell you what it's about once we've finished it up. Well, that's a weird display bug. I can make my research table disappear by looking over here. I don't remember that ever happening before. Yeah, if the center of it is off screen, the whole thing's gone. That was, oh, not in this direction. Anyway. There we go. That's researched. So, let's see if this is what I think it is. Print memories, okay. Remember who placed them. Okay, well, maybe this is, where's my Thaumonomicon? Did I put it away? Probably looking right at it and I just can't see it. No, seriously, where did it go? I need it. I want to look at stuff. There it is. How did it get in there? Okay. Unbreakable to anyone except the person who placed them, and even then they can only be removed with a casting wand. Right. So, yeah, highly resistant to explosion. Wait. Highly resistant. Does that mean they are breakable by explosions, or they're completely immune to them? Basically, I wanted these blocks to replace my oh, can't sprint because I'm hungry. Replace the reinforced stone and glass down here, protecting me from my nuclear reactor. Now, ideally, I just don't want to even explode this thing, but I could make this a lot thinner and have more room in the basement. It'll only have to be one layer thick. Though this stuff looks kind of cool, so maybe I'll keep it. But anyway, if we want to protect from any other big explosions, warded stone, or there's also warded glass. I guess that didn't give it to me. Oh, here it is. Yeah, warded glass. Oh, this looks real good. Ooh, this takes zombie brains. Okay, so finally a real use for those. You can dye them. Okay, cool. Neat. Okay, so this, I could use this as like more ornamental wooden doors, or wooden doors that, doors that villagers wouldn't see as a wooden door. Ha! Cool. Okay, I'm going to research like one or two more things, then we'll call it good. Okay, apparently this is an arcane pressure plate. Let's see what that does. Responds to you or anyone except you. Oh, cool. Okay. So there's one of the mods here I don't think I've talked about is obsidian pressure plates, which, just make it a pressure plate out of obsidian. And it's player only. Mobs and items won't trigger it. But this looks like it's player only and specific to players. Everything's you, everything except you. That's pretty... Oh, okay. No, that's different. Neat. That's very cool. I don't know. See, a lot of this stuff is sort of for multiplayer. But I could definitely see a use for pressure plates that respond to everything except me. Okay, cool. Let's research one more thing, then we'll call it good. All right, more golem stuff. Let's see what this is. Straw golem worker. Okay. Harvest crops and plants. Okay, so this would be for farm automation. Place anywhere as long as the fully grown crops harvest. Oh, hey! Might use that for sugarcane. Oh, hey, crops. Wait a minute. Does this work with industrial craft crops? That would be cool. Okay. I doubt it, but that would be very cool if it actually did. Anyway, so yeah, I wanted to get at least just a little bit of that done because I really want to make progress on Thaumcraft, but I don't want to just do the whole thing without you guys. But anyway, yeah, that's going to have to do it for today. I need to wrap this up now, even though there's still lots more to do. But yeah, we'll have to do it next time. So see you guys later.